Mr. Naveen Kumar Santhu,
Yes, sir.
your interview is going to be on which date?
27th, sir. 27th and 28th.
Arey Baba, you have a lot of time there.
Yes,
You
sir.
are from which university?
I'm
Maybe
from Tejpur University, sir.
that
Assam,
Assam
Assam,
boy,
sir. Yes, sir.
Assam boy. Good, excellent. Please tell us about yourself.
Uh, so first of all, I'm very thankful for the opportunity to get introduced myself. My name is Bogi Naveen. I'm currently pursuing my BTech final year in Tejpur University in the specialization of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Sir, I'm a native of Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagar district. I'm now in Assam. I'm pursuing my BTech degree. Sir, in my since I'm in final year, I'm ongoing with my final year project, that is autonomous robot car uh, with the navigation using ROS technology. And sir, my strengths are I'm a good communicator, and I always wanted to interact with the people, and also I am also keen interest in learning new things. And my hobbies are playing badminton, dancing, and reading books, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Now, why did you come to Assam instead of studying in Andhra Pradesh?
Sir, just after my intermediate, I got seat in my hometown, home state itself. But since my childhood, I am not visited so many places. So I want to explore some new places and explore their culture. So I have appeared for the JEE exam, and I came this far away, sir.
This is okay. I can't say this is wrong answer. But then the actual reason for your shifting to Tejpur is probably the other day you said is the fees being low, is it not?
Yes, sir. When compared to the state college, now I'm in the central university. So it makes my profile, or it makes my education education profile very better. So, and fees also, when compared to other colleges, it is very low here. So these are all the one of the reasons, sir. These all will be the reasons for me.
Is there not any central university in Hyderabad itself?
Yes, sir, there is, sir, but for Hyderabad, the caste that I am having is not enough. The rank for my caste is very low, so I got seat here, and I'm getting some of the colleges there also, but uh, I'm not getting the main branch that I'm expecting.
Very good.
So I came here, sir.
Very good. That is okay. Fine. That is okay. Fine. Fine. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, you are a computer science student,
No, sir. Electronics, ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
ECE.
Yes, sir.
After doing ECE, what is the CGPA you are getting now?
Sir, right now I'm having 7.17 CGPA.
Okay. Good. What are your parents?
Sir, my father runs our family business. We have a small business, and my mother helps him in the business. So since my childhood, I have one sibling. Me and my brother, in our leisure time, we used to go to shop and help my parents.
What are the items sold in your shop?
Sir, actually, it is a shop of it's a small kind of department stores, but mainly we provide marriage items and puja items for the customers, sir. So season, and we do the seasonal businesses like Ganesh Chaturthi and Dasara. So in that seasonal times, what people prefer, those also we will provide at the seasonal times, sir.
What is the next important season that is coming?
Sir, right now we are having right now there is no season going on, but in the summer usually we'll have marriage season, sir. Marriages.
What is UPI?
Sir, uh, so UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. Basically, it provides the uh, people to do the transactions and all through digital platform. So,
Sufficient. That is sufficient.
okay, sir.
If you talk more, you will commit mistakes. So
Okay,
simply
sir.
you tell. That's good.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
In which bank you have an account?
Sir, I'm having account on Kotak Mahindra Bank.
How come you went to Kotak Mahindra? Is it a
Sir,
nil balance account?
no, sir, savings account only.
So did you go and open in the branch or did you open
Sir,
it
yeah,
on?
through online, sir. At the time of COVID, one of my friend helped me to open an account through mobile.
I think the minimum balance required is only 0 rupees, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is a 811 account. So at that time, it is be zero minimum
Yeah.
balance.
So what is the news about Kotak Mahindra Bank and the online accounting?
Sir, right now I'm not following about Kotak Mahindra Bank. I'm more focused on Federal Bank itself, somewhat
You
focused
must
on it.
you must follow Kotak Mahindra also. Kotak
Yes, sir, I will.
Mahindra has been in the news recently. A Reserve Bank has told that their computer system is not working effectively. Many times people are not able to access their accounts. And what is your experience? Have you been able to access the account whenever you want?
Yes, sir. Recently, I'm not used it more often, but before it is okay. But recently, I'm getting some issues regarding payment.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what. See, because of that, Reserve Bank has told that hereafter they cannot open any online account, that is 811 account. Not only that, they have also told that, say, you cannot issue new credit cards. That these are the
Excuse me,
conditions.
sir.
Yeah,
Sir, you are not audible. Can you repeat the thing, sir? Actually, my speaker gone off.
speaker gone off. Achha, let me check out whether it is my mistake or your mistake. Yeah, here it is coming correctly. I think your
Yes, sir.
speaker was a defect. Yeah. See, actually, Kotak Mahindra Bank, mm, you must know the news about it correctly because there will be questions relating to that. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 1 minute, India, Kotak Mahindra Bank, RBI directions recently. Um, Please read this.
Yes, sir. The Reserve Bank of India has, by an order dated October 17, 2023, imposed a monetary penalty of 3.95 crore rupees on
Mm.
Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited for non-compliance with RBI directions on managing risks and code of conduct in outsourcing of financial services by banks, recovery agents engaged by banks, customer service in banks, and loans and advances, statutory and other restrictions. This penalty has been imposed in exercise of powers vested in RBI conferred under the provisions of Section 47A, read with Sections 46 4 of 1 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. This action is based on the deficiencies in regulatory compliance and is not intended to pronounce upon the validity of any transaction of agreement entered into by the bank with its customers. Sir,
Background.
okay, sir. Background. The statutory inspection for supervisory evaluation of the bank was conducted by the RBI with reference to its financial position as on March 31st, 2022. The examination of certain observations of the risk assessment report or inspection report pertaining to ISC 2022 and all related correspondence in that regard revealed, inter alia, non-compliance with the aforesaid directions by the bank to the extent it failed to carry out annual review or due diligence of the service provider, failed to ensure that customers are not contacted after 7 p.m. and before 7 p.m., levied interest from disbursement due date instead of the actual date of disbursement, contrary to the terms and conditions of sanction, and levied foreclosure charges despite there being no clause in the loan agreement for levy of prepayment penalty on loans recalled or foreclosure initiated by the bank. Consequently, a notice was issued to the bank advising it to show cause as to why penalty should not be imposed on it for failure to comply with said direction as stated therein. After considering the bank's reply to the notice, additional information provided by the bank, and the oral submissions made during the personal hearing, RBI came to the conclusion that the charge of non-compliance with the aforesaid RBI directions was substantiated and warranted imposition of monetary penalty on the bank.
Yeah. So I am giving the link of this in our Federal Bank group.
Okay, sir.
I am also giving in our newspaper so that it will be useful for United India Insurance candidate also. And for you, this question is very certain. They will certainly ask you.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You must go through that. Yeah. Have you known about Federal Bank before applying for this job?
Yes, sir. Actually, since my childhood, I am heard of this bank, which is one of the top private sector bank. And since we are not having it in our hometown, so I couldn't visit or any I couldn't visit it physically, but I heard about it, sir.
Now, recently, were you able to visit any Federal Bank branch?
As recently I visited the branch which is near to our college. There, can I elaborate my
Yeah, yeah,
experience, sir?
yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, actually, recently I visited the Federal Bank branch in Tejpur, Assam. So the furniture and the infrastructure is very good and very pleasant, and the maintenance. Actually, I had went at the time of lunch break, like during at the post lunch break, just post lunch break. At the time, there are people during the lunch break also. They are been waiting, and I talked to
No,
them,
no, but
and they said,
don't tell this.
"Okay, sir, okay, sir."
During lunch
Uh,
break, people were asked to wait. That means it's a somewhat negative point.
okay, sir, okay.
Um, yeah, because the
So there,
staff members could have managed their lunch in such a way that they are being attended to all the time. Understand?
okay, okay, sir, yes, sir.
Just
So when I,
simply say I went to do, around 1 o'clock, and
yes, sir,
don't tell lunch and all that. I,
okay,
then
sir,
tell then tell I talked to some of the customers who were present there. They told very good reports about the branch and the service they are rendering. Then I talked to the clerical staff and officers and manager. So whatever it is, whatever experience you have had, you must tell positive one only.
okay, sir.
Okay, you manage that question. Okay,
Yes.
very good. Next question. What are your hobbies?
Sir, my main hobbies are uh, dance and reading books and playing badminton, sir.
Acha, which type of books are you reading nowadays?
Sir, moreover, I prefer personality development books. So there is a famous book called 80% Mindset and 20% Skills. The author is Dev Gadvi. So that book inspired me very much. And also, I used to read the books called How to Influence Friends' Mindset and all. And also, I follow up the health related books.
Why?
That is,
Why? What is your age? Only 21, 22.
sir, actually, I believe that whatever the work we do at the end of the time, our health is most important than everything. So, if we know about our body, then we can be the person which very active at any time.
What do you know
So,
about your what do you know about your body?
sir, actually, my body type is like even though with with less taking very low amount of food, I can be very active. And also, if I take my meals at correct time, my brain refreshes every time, each and every time. So, and even though I'm a person from South India, I managed well to live in this North India, which we are having lack of spicy foods and all, but I managed well. So due to this, my discipline, I
This,
managed
no,
to be here.
this is not the answer. The answer expected was, what do you know about your body? Means you should have told me, I am so and so height, so much weight. Ah, my BP level is normally like this. My pulse is like this, and I'm an active person. Like that, you should try to tell some details. You are talking some story, Naveen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are talking some story which is not expected for questions like this. In interviews, we want mostly data, information. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
సో మీరు చెప్పినారు కదా that you are studied 80-20 book. You
Yes,
please
sir.
tell some points you learnt in that book.
Okay, sir. Sir, the main point is if we control our mindset, we can be the person what we want to. So if we keep telling some excuses to ourselves, then we can't be a person. And moreover, there is a small line between the middle class mentality and rich mentality. There is a highlight point, that is it is totally based on mindset, sir. So if you are a person wants to be in a comfort zone, then we can't succeed and we can't get the one which we are getting. Simply we'll compromise it. So more often, the who are the billionaires or millionaires, not only in they are not only
What
rich
what
in
is the
money.
what is the title of the book?
80% mindset, 20% skills, sir.
80% mindset, 20%
Skills.
life transformation in 9 days.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm, you bought it through Amazon.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are reading through Kindle or you reading through books?
Book, sir. Book. Physical book.
Oh, very good, very good. So, what do you know about the author?
Sir, he is Dev Gadvi. After his graduate, he is from a very small, very poor family in a small village. After his graduation, he secured a job as a call center, some type of call center job. I am not uh,
No,
specifically
no.
known about it.
Dev Gadvi is from India or from abroad?
India, sir. India, it's.
Oh, he's an Indian only.
Yes, sir. He's an Indian, and he secured a job, a small job for up to 4 years and all. Later on, he entered into a marketing field, and by taking insights from the famous authors and mentors and all, he developed he developed a company like and marketing, and he's a YouTube influencer, and he trained so many people and built so many people's mindset into a well-structured manner, sir.
Good, very good, very good. Nice. You know about it. Tell me something about NPCI and UPI.
Sir, actually, I'm not much aware of it, sir.
Why?
I have to.
You are a computer science student. You must know about core banking solution. You must know about NPCI. You must know about UPI. You must know about, say, ATMs. You must know
Yes,
about
sir, sir. I know
internet
about, but
banking, mobile
mainly
banking.
I'm not aware of this uh, NPC, I think, sir.
Please prepare.
But yes, sir. But when coming to the UPI, I have followed up some of the things, sir. But with an NPI, I can't structure the differences among them.
Why should we hire you?
Sir, I'm a person with good communication skills and interpersonal skills, where an bank employee needed it mostly. So, since I'm from a business family background, I interact with customers more because this job expects more customer centric. So I can be nice to the people, and I have good leadership qualities since I am having a major project in my in my college. I am leading the project in my group. So in this way, I can contribute myself to the growth of the company, to growth of the bank, and it
Who is
such
the
a similar.
who is the MD
Sir,
and CEO of Federal Bank?
sir, it's a Sam Srinivasan, sir.
What is the news about him? He is to retire on September 22nd. Hello?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
He is to retire on September 22nd. And who is to take charge in his place?
Sorry, sir, I'm
It
not
is,
aware.
it is Mr. KVS Manian, who was joint managing director of your bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Yes,
So
sir, it
you
is
must
mentioned. It is
know,
Federal Bank.
yeah, you must know the details about that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. Would you prefer operational role or sales?
Sir, I would prefer sales, sir, more
Hmm. Why?
because sir, the in sales we have to include ourselves for uh, providing our services to the customers more in a very contact manner, like in a personal way. So in sales, like provide sales is nothing but providing our services directly to them. Like if for example, if you make a person if you make a person convinced to open an account in our bank, it is one type of sales. So for that, we need more customer, we need to interact with the customer. So in that way, I think I am capable of that, to interact with the customers and providing the needs and services what we are having in our bank. So I prefer sales more than operations.
Good. You are you are from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana?
Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Andhra Pradesh and Telangana bifurcation took place in which year?
Sir, it's 2014.
Good. Who is the present chief minister of Telangana?
Sir, it's Ravant Reddy, sir.
Can you name 5 more states other than Andhra and Telangana and tell their capital? Tell also their chief ministers.
Sir, the present Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind. I'm not fully.
First of all,
Arvind,
Delhi is not a state.
sir, it is the capital,
It's a union territory.
Union Territory, sir. Yes, sir.
Why did you tell about that? Go for
Sir,
some other.
actually,
You are not
yes, sir.
prepared for this. You prepare for this. Best wishes. Thank you so much. You have to prepare something more on general knowledge, something more on banking and about other banks, and especially in your case, Kotak Mahindra and all. And Kotak Mahindra is not a small bank. It is Capital wise, it is the third largest bank. I have given
So,
links today.
sir,
Please
I
go
guess it
to
is fourth.
fourth or third.
Fourth in private sectors, it is fourth place, I guess, sir.
No. 1 minute. I have given a link just today. In that, it is shown Forbes India.
Sir, am I
Uh,
capable to manage HR round,
yeah,
sir? HR type of questions?
Kotak Mahindra Bank, market cap wise, fourth position. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you are answering well, but funny confidence, I will rate it at 75%. కానీ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి.
Yes, sir. Okay.
ఎందుకంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడే సమయంలో కొంచెం కష్టం కొడుతున్నారు. యు ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ డిఫికల్టీస్ వైల్ టాకింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై. యు ఆర్ నాట్ బ్యాడ్, బట్ స్టిల్ ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
You are doing well. 75% okay. But for getting success, you need to score 90%. Understand? This
Yes,
is
sir.
your first mock interview. Na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will
Yes, sir.
meet again afterwards. Which date you want next mock?
Sir, actually, I'm having projects, so I will pin you, sir, that one because I can't say what's the time, but evening after 6 it is okay, sir, any day. So I will ping you one day, sir, just before day or 2 days before I will message you.
Very good. Please pay that 150 rupees also.
Yes, sir.
You are the only boy who has not been paying money regularly. All others have been paying full amount in one stroke. Is it that you are a very poor boy?
As of right now, financially, I'm facing some difficulties.
It's okay.
So I will pay you, sir. I will pay you it in Vietnam.